Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachman, and today we'll be doing a quick video walkthrough of our newest arrival, 2019 350 Outrage by Boston Whaler. Beautiful platinum hull sides with silver accent stripes. Do have a windlass with stainless anchor integrated in the bow. We'll move around to the stern of the vessel and take a peek. This boat is powered by triple 350 Mercury Verado outboards with joystick piloting. Garlic boarding ladder makes boarding very easy, grab handle, and very nice transom pass-through door. So we'll step aboard and take a look. This boat does have full LED underwater lighting. Rod holders across the transom. Live well in the port quarter. And a little freshwater rinse. Rinse off once you reboard the vessel for a day at the beach. Very nicely laid out cockpit. Port side dive door. We can see across the transom a very nice and convenient fold down seat integrated into the boat. Once we get to our fishing stop, we can simply fold the seat back in and the cockpit opens up for a day of fishing. In the back of the leaning post, we have the bait prep station, plenty of tackle storage, as well as another live well, bait prep area, and sink. The starboard side of the console, we have a pull-out 65-quart Yeti. And moving up to the helm, plenty of room for in-dash electronics. 3 wide seating with flip-up bolsters. And joystick piloting. It's actually 3 systems in one. It's going to be skyhook to keep you in place. Integrated autopilot. As well as the joystick piloting, which makes ease of any docking situation. You can move sideways, diagonal. On the starboard side, we have the yacht style door to the head. Very spacious head on this boat. Vacuum flush. We do have a sink and storage. It is a wet head with a shower as well. Moving forward, we see one of the things Boston Whaler does so well is keeps the fishability while adding some creature comforts. So immediately notice the very large forward-facing lounger in front of the console, flip down armrest. Actually is a storage garage underneath. Very deep storage for rods, dive tanks, igloo cooler, all your canvas stores in there. And it is lockable, so those overnight trips you can securely store your gear on board. And finishing out forward, we have the very comfortable bow seating. Actually very nice on both sides with the flip-up backrest. Very comfortable cruising. The boat does have a full JL audio and Fusion sound system. Full hardtop and front and side glass. If you'd like more information about the 350 Outrage or any other boats we have in stock, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman from MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So come on down, see us in the showroom, check out our in-stock inventory, or set up a demo and get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.